So we've just arrived here at Matiatia Bay. It's just 10 minutes past 7 on a Thursday morning, 31st of March. We're all about to venture into the waters to swim from here to Mechanics Bay, which is a casual 20.1 kilometers swim. We're doing this as a fundraiser for the Westpac Rescue Helicopter Trust, so which we all have a strong connection to and feel very passionate about. So we all received, over the last couple of weeks, we all received some great support and great sponsorship from a variety of people from all walks of life, which is fantastic, extremely motivating, extremely inspiring. We're up to almost $30,000 as of this morning, so I think we're all quite blown away by that. Each of us have their own personal reasons and connections to the chopper while we're doing it, so yeah, we're all extremely pleased that it's taking off. We're all very excited, and let's hope we all make it there safely.
Oh, it's good. Yeah. We started up beautiful conditions, the first kilometre, and it gradually got choppy and choppier. And at least it was kind of with us. Managed to get a few surges here and there, but it was pretty lumpy. In fact, by about 15k, I was starting to feel pretty knackered, and actually a little bit sick towards the end. And I was just hanging on for grim death. The last 3k, everything seemed to be falling apart, but managed to come in okay.
Point the green one, and the big orange boy. To the left, go between those, just right.
Nice boat. Yeah, the Westpac Rescue Helicopter, it's a fantastic cause. You know, everybody knows that it's rescue missions are very, very important for getting patients who need to be taken to hospital in a brief period of time. Obviously, so it's a major resource. Yeah, so kind of put our bodies on the line, and yeah. Thank you everybody for making that possible.
Go to everydayhero.co.nz and look for Chopper Swim Challenge, and that will guide you through. You can support individual swimmers, or you can just support the entire team. So it would be fantastic to get more sponsorship for such a fantastic course.